Welcome to the Boss Talk Lounge, powered by the Solution Podcast. And I am your host, the Boss Lady. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have about a month and a half before the new tax season starts. Yep, my kind of season. And y'all already know come January 1st, MCG Tax Pros and Professional Business Solutions is going to hit the ground running. We ready. Right now, my team and I are in training on the new software for 2026, which will be tax year 2025. And we also have some new updates that came about from the IRS. Yes, the standard deduction did go up. Yes, they did increase credits. And yes, they did increase the amount of the deductions that you can take. And normally they do this every year because of inflation and, of course, because of the cost of living. So the credits and stuff did go up. Now, does that mean that you will get an increase in a refund? Possibly. It's not promised, but possibly. There are other factors that are involved whenever you do the tax return that will determine if your tax refund will be higher, lower, possibly stay around the same. But every year, those credits and deductions do increase because of inflation and, of course, because of the cost of living. Now, there is one myth that I do want to debunk for my taxpayers out there. If you have 3 or more children, I highly suggest that you file all of your children on your tax return. Number one, it is illegal to allow other people to file your children if they are not eligible to file the children. Yes, you can allow other people to do so, but there are stipulations that come with that. But if you have more than 3 children, you can file all of those children on your tax return to receive other credits. Now, the issue is you really only need to file 3 children in order to receive the maximum earned income tax credit. You only need 3 children to receive the maximum earned income tax credit if you qualify for the maximum. But just because you have 3 children does not automatically qualify you to receive the maximum earned income tax credit. Again, there's other stipulations that come along with that. Now, if you do file more than 3 children, let's say you have 9 children, you can still possibly receive child tax credits for all of your children if they qualify. You can receive possibly child tax credit for all of your children if they qualify. Again, there are other stipulations that will determine if you qualify to receive the maximum child tax credits for all of your children. Some of the children or some of the credits that you receive for the children do fade out after the age of 16. So those children do not get the same credits as the younger children do. Anyway, so those are a few tidbits of information that I did want to put out there to debunk the myth about only filing 3 children if you have more than 3 children. That is not totally true. That is a myth. You can definitely file all of your children. You can file your children up to the age of 24 as long as they are in school, college, or if they are disabled and you are supplying over 50% of their support. So those are other stipulations, again, that go with filing all of your children. But I hope that helps someone out there that was still kind of confused about how that works. And if you have any questions, you can definitely contact us at 346-443-9682. That is our business line. You can also go to our website, www.pbs-thesolution.com. That's www.pbs-thesolution.com. And you can schedule an appointment online on our website, or if you just want to look around and see what we do. There is also a client portal on the website. For those of you who are familiar with the client portal and are returning clients, the client portal is still on the website. So you can even upload your documents once you get all your documents, and we can go ahead and start that tax return. But most of our services are done online. We do tax returns in all 50 states, and we do state returns in all of the states that have state returns to do. We also have a physical brick and mortar location in DeRidder, Louisiana. For my hometown people, we're still there, rocking and rolling. And if y'all rocking with me, we gonna roll right on along. So, but the numbers, the phone number, the website, also the emails, all of that is still the same for all locations in all states. I'm going to be very excited this year because we have a new awesome team that's coming on board. They're seasoned. They already know most of the tax laws. They are in corporate. We have some accountants. We have some admin people. And I'm just super duper uber excited about this coming tax year. Y'all going to be seeing my face more often this year as well. One more thing. I am still coming out with the Boss Lady Blueprint. It is still on the way. I had to go back to the drawing board with that. I wasn't satisfied when I went back to proofread it, and I had to go back to the drawing board. I didn't just want to throw anything out there because it is what it is. It's the blueprint, the Boss Lady Blueprint, coming to you soon. Once I get ready to roll it out, you'll know. I'll start making advertisements for it, making videos for it to promote it. But the Boss Lady Blueprint is still coming right on along. But I had to go back to the drawing board so I can get it right. I ain't just want to throw anything out there. Anyway, until next time, again, this is the Boss Lady, and you have been tuned in to the Boss Talk Lounge, powered by the Solution Podcast.